Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to consider this logarithmic equation here on the board. We have to solve 3 log m plus 5 log m minus 6 log m equals 64. Here we have to find the value of m that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. I have a solution. I've come down here with a question. Here, the first thing we need to apply here is for us to apply power rule. That is, we are going to return these numbers at the back of the log to become the powers of the arguments. That is, here, we are going to have here log m to the power of 3 plus log m to the power of 5 minus log m to the power of 6 equals log 64. Now the next step to be considered is for us to apply logarithmic quotients and product principle right here. That is, wherever you have positive, you're going to change this to multiplication, negative to division here. Now, but this expression need to take a new format that will fit the said principle. Now, since these equations are being expressed in the same base, then as such, you are going to take one of the logs. Then now, you're going to have your log into, this is m raised to the power of 3. We have here m to the power of 3. This is addition. We change to multiplications. We have here multiplied by m to the power of 5. Then now, this is division. We divide the whole thing with m to the power of 6. Then you close your bracket equals log 64. Now we have done with that. Now, here, since we have log of the same base here, we'll cancel log of the same base here. Then the whole equation becomes, here, we have m to the power of 3 multiplied by m to the power of 5 divided by m to the power of 6 equals 64. Now here we are going to apply indices laws here. Now recall that whenever you have multiplication and they have the same base, we add the powers. Then as such, we are going to have here m, we pick one of the bases, then we add the powers. 3 plus 5, that will give us 8. Then divided by m to the power of 6 equals 64. Then now here, this is division, the same base, we subtract the powers. Then as such, we are going to have here that m to the power of 8 minus 6 equals 64. Then as such, now m to the power of 8 minus 6, that will give us m to the power of 2 equals 64. Now, the next step for us to take here is to take the square root of both sides of the equation. And if you do, we're going to have that m equals neither positive or negative square root of 64. Then now, we're going to have here that m equals square root of 64. That will give us positive or negative 8. But here, we are looking for the positive value of 8 of m. Then as such, m equals 8, and this is the value of m that will satisfy this given equation here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.